Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a problem. We all face cable chaos. Let's be honest, those tangled wires under your desk are a real eyesore and a pain to deal with. But don't worry, because today we're going to show you 4 incredibly easy and clever DIY cable organizers that will transform your workspace from a mess to organized perfection. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First up, we have the trusty binder clip cable organizer. This is probably the simplest, quickest, and cheapest method. All you need are a few binder clips. Take a binder clip and attach it to the edge of your desk. Thread your charging cables or any other cables through the metal loops of the binder clip. This keeps the cables neatly in place and prevents them from falling behind your desk, where they're impossible to reach. It's a super effective way to keep things tidy, and it looks surprisingly neat. Next, let's move on to the toilet paper roll cable organizer. This method is all about recycling and repurposing. Save your empty toilet paper rolls, and you're halfway there. You can also use paper towel rolls cut to size, if you need them. Label each roll with the type of cable that goes inside, like phone charger or laptop cable. Then, place your cables inside their designated rolls. You can place these rolls in a drawer, or even use a decorative box to keep them out of sight. It's an excellent way to conceal those unsightly cables and keep everything organized. Our third DIY cable organizer uses a humble bread tag. Yes, you read that right. Bread tags are small, but they're mighty organizers. Take a bread tag and loop it around the cable. Then, snap the cable in. This is especially useful for short cables, like those for your phone or small electronics. The bread tag keeps the cable from unraveling and makes it easy to identify which cable is which. It's a simple, yet ingenious solution that you can use at home or in the office. Finally, we're going to build a custom wooden charging station. This project is a little more involved, but the results are worth it. First, you'll need a piece of wood, some basic tools like a saw, a drill, and some sandpaper. Measure and cut the wood to your desired size. Drill holes in the wood to allow cables to pass through. Sand the wood to create a smooth finish. You can then stain or paint the wood to match your decor. This charging station not only organizes your cables, but also provides a designated charging spot for all your devices. This will create a sleek, organized charging station that looks great on your desk. The before is a tangled mess, and the after is a stylish, organized space. And there you have it, 4 easy DIY cable organizers that will banish cable clutter forever. Give these a try and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more life hacks and DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.